I just got this attachment plate from Amazon. It was like $44 shipped, and it's a universal one for all these mini skids, and it works for all the minis, and it's got the dingo mounts. The only thing I found, I built a couple attachments. If you look at my videos, you can see that this line here a lot of times has to be cut out because it catches on the machine, doesn't line up right. But some are good, some aren't. But other than that, these work really well, and the price is really good. Okay, now we got to find the center of this plate to line up the center of the plow. So, 2 foot, so 12 inches in the center. Like that. Okay, it's burning through the tube a little. I'm going to bring it back.
There we go.
Yeah, snaps in there now, right? Just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.